Joe NIPOTE.
Joe NIPOTE.
Joe NIPOTE.
Joe NIPOTE.
Joe NIPOTE.
The one and only Joe NIPOTE.
Mr. Joseph NIPOTE.
Joe NIPOTE.
Joe NIPOTE.
Joe NIPOTE is one of the stars of the action series Viper.
Everybody knows Joe NIPOTE. You've seen him 100 times on television and in the movies. He's that guy. You go, that guy, I know that guy. That's the guy. That's him. I've seen that guy. He's an actor, a comedian, a ring announcer, and a children's author. He's one of those rare comedic that Hollywood loves. A comic and an actor who can do anything. A career that has spanned decades, from classic TV shows to working with the great director Steven Spielberg. This is the kind of career comics dream of having. Joe NIPOTE is what show business is all about.
Joe NIPOTE.